Hello student, class 6 exercise 12.1 question 15. Mother want to divide rupees 36 between her daughters Shreya and Bhumika in the ratio of their ages. माँ के पास 36 रुपीज़ है, दोनों बेटियों में डिवाइड करना चाहती है इन द रेशियो, मगर अकॉर्डिंग उनकी एज के हिसाब से. इफ़ द एज ऑफ श्रेया इज़ 15 ईयर्स, अगर श्रेया की एज 15 है एंड एज ऑफ भूमिका इज़ 12 ईयर, तो फाइंड हाउ मच श्रेया एंड भूमिका विल गेट. मदर, क्वेश्चन 15. Mother want to divide 36 rupees between their daughter. Rupees 36 want to divide among the between her daughters Shreya and Bhumika in the ratio of their ages. So first we find the first amount mother had. First we find age of it is given age of Shreya is 15 years, therefore age of Bhumika is 12 years. So first we find the ratio of their age, because her mother want to divide her mother want to divide the 36 rupees according to their ratio of their ages. So we'll find the ratio of their ages, that is 15 upon 12. Cancellation is possible in the table of 3. 3 4s are 3 5s are, so we got 5 ratio 4. And the mother, the amount is first the Shreya will get, that is her ratio is 5, and find the total ratio. 5 plus 4 9 will be multiplied by 36. 9 ones are 9 fours are 5 fours are 20 rupees Shreya will get. Now Bhumika will get, her ratio is 4 and total of the ratio will be 9, and total amount is 36. Again 9 ones are 9 fours are 4 fours are 16 rupees. The Bhumika will get 16 rupees. Now we'll take question number 16. Question 16. Present age of father is 42 year. Present age 42 years है, and that of his son, उसके बेटे की एज है is 14 years. Find the ratios. We have to find the ratio. The first, present age of father to the present age of the son. First I find this ratio. Now the present age, question 16. Present age of father is 42 years. 42 years, and his son age is 14 years. And we have to find the ratios. So first we find the ratio of A part, that is present age of the father to the present age of the son. We have to find the ratio present age of father and the present age of son. So that is 42 upon 14. Cancellation is possible in the table of 2. 2 sevens are 2, 2s are 2, 1s are 7, 1s are 7, 3s are, the ratio is 3 ratio 1. Now the B ratio we have to find. The question is age of the father to the age of the son when son age was 12 years old. We have to find the ratios, but when son age was 12 years old, मतलब जब वो 12 साल का था, मतलब 2 साल पीछे, तो डैडी की भी एज 2 साल पीछे, मीन्स when son was 12 years old. तो ratio we will find, I'm finding the ratio first. I'm find when son was 12 years old, so therefore the father age was also 40 years, बिकॉज जब बेटा 2 साल छोटा है तो डैडी भी 2 साल छोटे हो जाएंगे, 40 years old. नाउ वी फाइंड देयर रेशियो ऑफ देयर एज, दैट इज 12 अपॉन the age of the father. तो फर्स्ट विल राइट एज ऑफ द फादर एंड to the age of son. Now cancellation is possible in the table of 2. 2 6 2 2 and 0 2 3 2 10. The ratio is 10:3. Now this is B and the C, age of the father after 10 years. Now we have to find after 10 years. After 10 years means 10 साल बाद, तो फादर की एज क्या हो जाएगी 10 साल बाद? द फादर एज विल बी 42 है, 42 प्लस 10 हो जाएगी, दैट इज 52. एंड सन एज विल बी 14 प्लस 10, it is 24. Now we have to find their age ratios of after 10 years. That will come 52 upon 24. Cancellation is possible in the table of 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 6 are 2 12s are 24, 2 6 are 2 1s are 2 3s are. Now cancellation is not possible, so 13:6. Now D, the age of father to the age of son when father was 30 years old, means it is when father age was 30 years. फादर की प्रेजेंट एज 42 है, तो 38 अगो मीन्स पहले माइनस किया, 12 years was minus, the present his son's present age was 14 years, तो son age was 14 minus 12 will be 2 years. जब उसके डैडी 30 years के थे तब son was 2 years old. And we have to find their ratio, that is it is given the father, so father age will come first, then age of the child, 2 1s are 2 15s are, the ratio will be 15:1. Our this exercise is complete. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you children.